Wolf. Yeah, nah, this is the only way to fly.
Actual Shadow 1 is weapons hot. We're burning daylight here.
Copy, Graves. Stand by. Laswell, do we have confirmation?
Watcher 1 to Bravo 07. You in position?
Nearly there. Go ahead. Relay when the target is visual. I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware, all Russian. What the hell are the Russians doing with Gorbrani?
Supplying Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow 1?
Affirmative. 2 birds, 1 stone.
We need positive ID on Gorbrani before we kick this off, boys.
Ghost, can you identify the general? Armed escorts around Wont VIP. Russians are very happy to see him. It'll be the last time they do. Visual on General Gorbrani.
Copy. All stations, target confirmed.
Shadow 1, you are cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, Actual. Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow's gonna pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send it.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery. Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2, 1. Got out! Missile in blue. Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold it. Missile bearing northeast of 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
You're right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
Target destroyed. Come in.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land down range. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want the sun alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, Soap.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HL. All stations, Razor 1 is bracketed. We're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
Shit.
Second missile! Razor 1 going down! We're going down!
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear first, sir. That takes me to Alpha. Then we we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
Force up to the house.
Second deck clear. Negative on Hassan.
First deck clear. Negative on Hassan.
Roger. Fast.
Take the window. 7-1. Moving interior.
They're up here. أخي، اقتل كل واحد بيمر من هون.
Ghost. Enemy rockets down.
Solid. Good work.
Ghost. We're secure. Negative on Hassan.
Time to hit the crash site.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
All Bravo, circle up outside.
Ghost, Soap. AQ's got some real kit.
Soap, we're moving to the crash site to help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj. Alpha 02, Bravo 07, Building 2 secure, we're coming to you. Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue! Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him. No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
Got movement.
If you have a shot, take it. Shit. How many are there? Engage! Shooters at the wall!
You called it, LT.
RPG! Fuck! Get your gun up! Getting close. Check right. Reloading! Moving!
Go confirmed. We clear.
For now. Stay sharp on that tree line. They're still moving out there!
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line. Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out. Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line.
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit. Incoming! Take cover! They're launching grenades! Two, three's hit! Man down! He's dead. Keep your gun in the fight.